Hello everyone, welcome back to the next tutorial of Photoshop. Today we are going to start with the next chapter, more on Photoshop. In this chapter you will learn the various painting and retouching tools like healing or spot healing brush tool, clone stamp tool, eraser tool, blur, sharpen or smudge tool, brush, pencil or color replacement tool, and one more tool, gradient or paint bucket tool. This tool you had already done. In this tutorial we will do only with the brush tool. Okay. Brush tool. It is used to create various types of strokes using the foreground color. That means whatever the color you had selected, that color will be used to draw freehand drawing on your canvas. Brush tool we had already used in MS Paint as well as in Flash also. As in other applications, same use is here. By using the brush tool, we can draw freehand drawing on the stage. We can draw anything by dragging the mouse on the stage. The shortcut key for using the brush tool is B. That means you can press the B key from the keyboard to select the brush tool from the tools palette. Let's see how we can use it. First of all, select the brush tool from the tools palette. Click here and choose the brush tool. You can also click on the down arrow and choose the brush tool. Now coming back to the stage or canvas, here a few options are given in the option bar. First, there is a brush tip, brush size, and brush tips are available. Various types of brush tips are available. Various patterns are given. You can choose any one pattern to draw the textures or to draw make your freehand drawing. First of all, let's take some solid color. These are some soft brushes and a few solid brushes are there. I'm taking this. Here you can select the size, change the size of the brush, increase or decrease the number of pixels. That means it will be the width of the brush. Now hardness and softness of the brush, how soft brush should move on a canvas or how hard it should be. Now coming back to the canvas, let's draw something. Okay, this is a very hard brush. Or you can decrease its hardness and then draw it. See, it is having the soft edges. Now, size, you can increase or decrease the size and draw it. Now it is a soft brush. Okay, now coming back to this, I'm increasing its hardness to full, size decrease, taking some another brush. Okay, you can see. Now opacity. Opacity means transparency, how transparent your brush should be. If I decrease the opacity, it will draw some transparent colors like this. See the difference. Okay, it will be a transparent. You can choose any other brush shape. There are many interesting brushes are available to draw some textures or patterns on the canvas or use in your pictures. Take some color. It will draw the foreground color. It will draw the patterns by using the foreground color. Now it is very light as because I had decreased the opacity. Increase it to the full. Now it is like this. Okay. Now let's draw some pattern. Let's see some another brushes are also available like this. Draw like this. You can increase or decrease the size of brush by using the square brackets on the keyboard. Left square bracket will decrease the size and right square bracket will increase the size. Now let's see how it will draw. See. Okay. I'm again clearing the canvas, taking some another brush. Okay, here some interesting brushes are available. You can see this, or you can have these grass. Okay, now this grass tool, this grass brush will work with both colors, with two colors. Like I have foreground color, like I take some green color. Okay, now I'm taking some background color also, because the grass tool will mix both colors to draw the grass on the stage or on the canvas. Okay, I'm increasing the size a little bit. Okay, let's see how beautifully we can draw grass on my canvas or on my picture, wherever it is needed. Okay, here a few, these are available. Leaves are available. You can change the color of the leaves. Okay, see. Okay, now flow. Here we can see that there is one more option given in the option bar, that is the flow option, 100%. Right? If I decrease the flow, it will decrease the flow of your color on the canvas while drawing. See, it is decreasing the color. Okay. Okay. I'm again clearing the canvas. Let's draw some pattern. Tell you one more thing. Instead of drawing on the full canvas, I can also select the area in which I want to fill the color by using the brush tool, or I want to draw some pattern within some specified area. Let's take the rectangular marquee tool. I am selecting this area. Okay, now when I will use my brush tool, it will draw only in this selected area, even my brush moves outside this. Okay, click on this brush tool, choose the pattern. Suppose I'm taking leaves only, these leaves only. I'm increasing its brush size or decrease it. Okay, take the color, choose some color, nice color for leaves. Okay, now draw it. Okay, we're forgetting that we had decreased the flow. We can increase it, not draw it. Okay, see, if my brush comes outside the area but it's not drawing outside the area. Okay, now suppose I want to draw something outside this box also, in this white area that is outside this selected area. I can inverse the selection by pressing the Control Shift I. Hope you remember we had used these shortcut key in gradient while using the gradient tool also. Let's take some another brush. Here I have some leaves available, some another kind of leaves. I'm taking the color green for my leaves. Okay, and these are minded. This was the solid leaf, and these are some soft leaves are available. This will be scattered leaves with some light colors like this. See how we can use the brush tool. I hope you understand the usage and the various options of the brush tool. Thank you.